This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Browning reactions occur when proteins or amino acids react with carbohydrates in the presence of heat. It is generally used to sear or brown a piece of meat, fish, poultry, toasted bread, dried fruits, gravy mixes, franks with beans, etc. Browning reactions are useful for getting characteristic flavors, aromas, and brown color from many cooked foods. The food surface should exceed 300 degrees Fahrenheit to obtain a proper brown crust. There are two types of browning reactions, enzymatic and non-enzymatic. Non-enzymatic browning reactions are further divided into three types: Maillard reaction, caramelization, and ascorbic acid reaction. Enzymatic browning reaction. It is also called phenolase or enzymatic catalytic oxidation browning. It is more common in fruits and vegetables that contain phenolase, and the reaction commonly takes place at the cut surface. The color change occurs due to the oxidation of phenols to orthoquenes and further polymerization, resulting in the formation of brown pigment or melanins. The process involves hydroxylation followed by oxidation. Hydroxylation of monophenols is the slow and rate-determining step in the reaction. Phenolase is active at pH 5 to 7 and is irreversibly inactivated at pH lower than 3. Maillard reaction. It is the reaction of free amino groups like amines, amino acids, peptides, and proteins with reducing sugars in the presence of heat and during storage. It was first described by Lewis Maillard in 1912. While the advantages of the reaction are caramel aromas, taste, and golden brown appearance of foods, the disadvantages include food darkness and off-flavor development. The cyclization or dehydration of deoxyazones is responsible for flavor production. Though color development is desirable for foods like bread, soy sauce, milk chocolate, coffee, and roasted and grilled meat, it is undesirable for items like dehydrated potatoes, egg powder, cornstarch, and dried foods like milk and fruits. It may sometimes be undesirable for roasted and grilled meat also. Generation of anti-nutritional and toxic compounds, destruction of essential amino acids, lysine in particular, and reduced digestibility of food proteins are further disadvantages. The rate of color formation can be decreased by reducing the pH. Though it is difficult to find out the effect of temperature as a single variable, the general activation energy ranges from 10 to 160 kilojoules per mole. Caramelization. It occurs in fruits and vegetables that have natural sugars. It is the oxidation of sugars resulting in nutty flavor and brown color formation. While the flavor and color add essence to items like coffee and beer, they may also result in a burnt sugar smell at times. A temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and the presence of organic acid or base catalysts are necessary for caramelization. The reaction can be prevented by avoiding high-temperature processing and low storage temperatures. Ascorbic acid reaction. The reaction in the presence of ascorbic acid oxidase gives rise to a disagreeable brown, precipitate, and flat flavor. It generally occurs in citrus juices. The reaction takes place at low pH and elevated temperatures. It causes discoloration and loss of nutritional value for the processed food item. If you want to find more works like this essay on browning reactions explained, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects.